Hello everyone, today we are making chicken korma. For that we have chicken breast which we have chopped fine into small pieces. We then have 2 onions, we have capsicums 2, we have oil for frying, we have ginger garlic paste with make of 1 pot of garlic and 1 inch of ginger. We then have all these masalas over here. Let me get it close by. These we're going to add at one shot when the chicken is done. So for that we have 3 bay leaves, we have a strand of mace, we have a little bit of nutmeg, maybe 1 teaspoon. We have a big black cardamon, we have 3 small green cardamons, we have 5 to 6 cloves, we have black cumin, 1 teaspoon. We have a little bit of roasted sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon. We have red chili powder, 1 teaspoon. We have 1 teaspoon salt, and we have around 10 black pepper. These are going to be added once the chicken is fried. Once the dish is done, we're going to add to it half a cup of curds, and finally we'll end with adding soaked almonds and 4 dates. So let's begin with the recipe. Pot is hot. Let's add oil. You'll need around 3 tablespoons. Add the onions. So while our onions are getting fried, we'll prepare the almonds. Need to be soaked in warm water. So what I'm going to do is put a little water. I'm going to microwave it for 1 minute and leave it. And then keep dates also ready. Reseed them. So dates are ready. Let's put them on the side. And also cube red and green capsicums. These go towards the end. Onions are brown. Let's add the chicken at this time. We need to fry it well for 5 to 10 minutes till all the water that comes out of it evaporates and only the oil remains. We'll then add the ginger garlic paste. So adding now ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon. Also going to add some fresh ginger and garlic. There is no organic garlic. So let's mix well. The garlic and ginger is cooked. After 5 minutes of cooking, we will add the rest of the spices. That's looking good. Don't forget, we need to grate the nutmeg. That's the only thing you need to grate. The rest is all whole spices. All gone in now. And now is where the aromatic starts to build. Let's fry them nicely. So this will take another 5 to 7 minutes. While these fry, I want to start cleaning the almonds. So as soon as you see the oil leaving, it will be time for us to add the curds I'm going to do is, since today I'm adding capsicum, we'll add that first and let it fry. Trying to add the capsicum. And you add the curds and the almonds and the dates. Whisked curds are here. It's time to add it. We'll now add dates and almonds. And just like that, we are done with the dish. Let's fry it for 5 minutes. Give it a taste of the masala. Yeah, that's fine. Perfect amount of salt, just half a teaspoon. You can adjust if you like. So salt you should adjust as per your taste, but very little at a time because we have curds in there which also makes it sour. All that is balanced now since it's mixed with the masalas. So let this cook for 5 minutes on slow. Clear up the things and it will be time to serve.